In this video, I'm going to show you how to make text glow in Photopea. First, open your project in Photopea and make sure you are on a blank canvas or an existing design where you want to add glowing text. Go to the left side toolbar and select the Type tool, then click anywhere on your canvas and start typing your text. Once your text appears, you can reposition it and adjust its size according to your layout. Before applying the glow effect, double-click on the text to highlight it and check the font style you are using. If your font is very thin, the glow effect may not look strong or visible enough, so it is better to choose a slightly thicker font. To change the font, use the font drop-down menu at the top left area of the screen and select a bolder or heavier style, so the glow can appear clearly around the letters. After selecting the proper font, move to the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. Right-click on your text layer and choose Blending Options. A layer style panel will open. From here, enable the Outer Glow option. Once you click on Outer Glow, you will see its settings. Start by choosing the glow color. For the best and most natural effect, select a color that matches your text color so the glow looks smooth and realistic. After choosing the color, click OK. Now adjust the opacity slider. A good range is usually between 70 to 80%, but you can increase or decrease it depending on how strong you want the glow to appear. Next, focus on the spread and size sliders. Spread controls how solid the glow looks around the edges, while size controls how far the glow extends outward. If you increase spread, the glow becomes more intense near the edges of the text. Increasing size will make the glow expand further from the text, creating a brighter and softer effect. Size is the most important setting when creating a glow effect. For a subtle glow, keep spread low and adjust size to a smaller value, such as 10. Once you are satisfied with the effect, click OK to apply it. If you want to make the glow stronger without changing the size or opacity settings, simply right-click on the text layer and choose Duplicate Layer. Duplicating the layer will intensify the glow effect automatically. And this is how you can make text glow in Photopea.